to protect yourself as you use tarot deck or pendulum or drawing rods or whatever method you decide to use. If you don't know how to use this method, some spirit can mess with you. Of course, by using the energy of the tool that you're using, and sometimes your energy. Also, sometimes this energy may lie, making a mess on your amazing divination. Step 1, it would be to empower your tarot deck or whatever tool for at least 7 nights. So sleep with it in the back of your pillow or in your nightstand and have intention to charge it with good energy or whatever energy you decide to work with. Then, before you begin, you grab your deck and set your intention, and you can use this word if they can help you. May the power of the Creator assist in doing this divination for, state the name, or if it's for yourself, just have the intention that it is for yourself. May I be told the true and not finesse, but the true for my highest and greatest good and the highest and greatest good of the person to whom I'm doing the reading. This is my wish and my command, so be it. So you make sure that the information are true, that this information are not going to hurt this person's journey, and that the entity that did not resonate with this frequency will get in the middle of your reading.